covered very clearly about comparison operators. How many comparison operators we covered, sir? Have you remembered, right? We covered very clearly about comparison operators. 8 operators we discussed. Have you remembered? Equal, not equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, in, and $NIN. Okay, these are things we discussed very clearly, right? So now the next set of operators what we have to talk, logical query operators. Logical query operators, okay, like we have to talk logical query operators, like, okay, well, so now here logical query operators, right? So which things are logical query operators? We have to talk about $r, dollar nar, next dollar and next dollar not, okay, like, so these are 4 things are called logical query operators, right? Okay, now let me talk about dollar r operator. Okay, r operator, right? So do you know sometimes we have to maintain something like either first condition or second condition. Have you observed, right? Either first condition or second condition, we may have this type of thing. So like some in the last somewhere we may have array number of reviews, number of reviews is number of reviews is greater than 3 is my first condition. Or okay, tax array contains okay, programming, okay, like just a tax array contains programming, like you should be array. We know how to find the documents which is satisfy this condition. I know how to find the documents which is satisfy this condition. Array, now I want to find the documents which is satisfy any of these conditions. Have you observed, right? Yes, any of these conditions, then happily we can go for, okay, r operator. R operator means something like do you know C1 or C2? General what I'm taking, sir, C1 or C2. So if C1 satisfied or C2 satisfied, are both satisfied. Have you observed, right? At least one condition satisfied, then we require to go for R operator. The name itself indicates, right, either this or this. So either C1 or C2 or both. If you have such type of requirement, happily you can go for R operator. Now complex queries we can write with these things. Remember carefully, right? Complex queries happily we can write with these things. So someone asked, sir, more than one condition, how I can do that? Yes, happily you can do this type of thing, right? Okay, well, so here what is the syntax for that? What is the syntax for this? It's a very simple, sir. It's a very simple. Just have a look once, sir. Dollar, okay, what the syntax I'm trying to take? Yes, here just observe, sir, before documenting this. Now have a look once, sir. This is about my requirement, right? Okay, either first condition or second condition, either first condition or second condition or both. So what is the first condition? Can you please tell in the coding style how you can implement first condition, sir? Can you please tell? Yes, here curly brace, number of reviews. Have you remembered? Number of reviews. Okay, like yes, again I require to take $GT sir 3. Correct, right? Hey, respond. Correct, right? This is the first condition we have to take. First expression. This is the first expression we have. Now, second expression. Can you please confirm? Second expression. Okay, tax contains programming. Tax contains programming. Programming, like okay, sir, tax. Okay, here tax contains programming. Okay, like sir, how many conditions are there? C1 and C2, two conditions are there, sir. Okay, assume. Now, I want to find all documents, either first condition or second condition. What is the way how you can do that is very simple. Okay, here just observe db.books.find. Okay, what is the syntax? Directly I'm trying to talk, sir. What the syntax here we require to take? Okay, very simple. don't take something like C1 dollar R C2 something like, don't take in this style. Okay, it is not. What we have to take here is sir, dollar R. I'm performing R operation on which conditions? On which conditions? Okay, here all the conditions we have to add in the array. In this array, any number of conditional expressions we can take, no problem, right? Any number of conditional expressions we can take. Okay, like so what it means is, now the first conditional expression is this one, copy, comma, first expression completed. Now second conditional expression. Okay, like sir, if you want, you can take any number, there is no problem at all. That pretty. Okay, like I'm taking. Yeah, can you please confirm? Are you in the position to understand this line? Respond. Are you in the position to understand this line? So all your conditional expressions you require to take in the array. Okay, for these conditional expressions, at least one condition satisfied, that document will be selected. Okay, this is the way how you can use a logical R operator, right? Okay, like please take a bit very special care. Yes, syntax is different with other operators, right? R and not, R and nor, all these things follow the same syntax only. Okay, like now first we have to take operator. Now observe carefully. Maybe yes, it is already there with me. Now I'm taking this one, db.books.find. Now here just observe very carefully, sir, number of reviews. Now have a look once. What about the output? What about the output I'm getting? Number of reviews greater than 3 are programming. Okay, why sir, this document came? First condition satisfied or second condition satisfied? Please confirm. Either first condition satisfied or second condition satisfied. So number of reviews is 2 only. Oh, first condition not satisfied, but second condition satisfied. Programming, second condition satisfied. That's why. Okay, well, at least one condition should be satisfied. Sir, why this document got selected? Because first condition satisfied. Number of reviews is greater than 3. Okay, like yes, but tags doesn't contain programming. Now why this one is selected, sir? Yes, both conditions are satisfied. Both conditions are satisfied. Okay, like next, why this one is selected, sir? Yes, programming. Have you observed, right? Programming, second condition satisfied. Okay, that's all. So I hope how you can use R operator. Is it clear for you people, right? Yes, friends, any explanation is required? Okay, let me put into documentation style so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Okay, dollar R, dollar R performs logical R operator, operation on an array of two or more expressions. Expressions means conditions. Two or more expressions, and selects the documents that satisfy at least one of the condition, one of the expression. Is it expression means some condition assume, that's it. Okay, sir, any, is it understandable, right? Dollar R performs logical operation on an array of two or more expressions and select the documents that satisfy at least one condition. Okay, like what is the syntax, sir? Just have a look once, sir. Dollar, here just observe that dollar R we have to take. Sir, here we require to take an array. Here expression 1. Okay, expression 1. Okay, like comma expression 1. Okay, like now you can take any number of expressions, any number of expressions, right? Okay, we can take any number of expressions, like so dollar R something like so expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, something like you can take this is the syntax for that, right? Okay, like now even I covered here just a query one. select all document where either number of reviews greater than 3 or tax array contains a programming element. Okay, tax array contain programming element. Okay, like how you can do c1 c2 c. Okay, like sir, any explanation is required? Are you people are feeling comfortable? Can you please confirm? Yes, friends. Any explanation is required about this one? Already we had clear discussion there. Okay, like now can you please select all documents? Can you please select all documents where either number of reviews either number of reviews is lesser than 3, is less than 3, or downloadable is true, or downloadable downloadable. Okay, or downloadable true, is true or other profile contains at least two books, at least two books. Okay, like wow. Can you please have a look once? Now, how many conditions are there? How many conditions are there, sir? Three conditions. Have you observed, right? Three conditions are there. Okay, three conditions are there. Okay, like now here just what is the document structure? If you observe now, first condition, what is our first condition? Number of reviews is less than 3. Okay, number of reviews, yes, number of reviews is there. Next, second condition talks about downloadable either true. Yes, downloadable either true. Okay, second condition. Third condition is do you know other profile contains at least two books? Oh, very important. Other profile contain at least two books. It is the nested property. Nested property. Other.profile.books. Other.profile.books. Okay, like yeah. So it is a very simple, sir. Let me simplify. C1 condition 1. Okay, number of reviews is less than 3. Okay, now here number of reviews is less than 3. Is lesser than 3. Lesser than 3. Like yes, is it correct? I respond. Is it correct, right? Number of reviews is less than 3. Sir, second condition. Second condition, let me take, sir. Second condition. What is that? Downloadable is the true. Downloadable is the true. True. Yes. It is the downloadable is the true, sir. Yes, it is the simple only. Next, C3. Yes, this is the very important, sir. So here other profile contains at least two books. At least two books means greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2. 2 or more. 2 or more. Other profile books. Okay, like sir, can you please confirm other profile dot books, other dot profile dot books? Okay, can you please confirm? Am I required to use code symbols here? Is it required? Is it mandatory or not? Okay, whenever we are accessing nested property, please make sure compulsory we require to take okay, code symbol, otherwise it won't work. Okay, sir, here colon. Now dollar gta is 2. Dollar gta is a 2 something like we have. So select all documents where either number of reviews is less than 3 or downloadable is the true or other profile contains at least two books. Okay, like so what is the way? Array, what is the problem with that? db.books.find. Okay, now here dollar r okay, array, dollar r array I'm trying to take. Next here array condition 1. Okay, let me copy paste condition 1. This is my condition 1. Okay, condition 2. Okay, like sir, condition 2. Okay, now condition 3. Condition 3 like here observe carefully. Condition 3. Okay, like next here parenthesis close dot pretty. Yeah, Can you please confirm? Is it going to fulfill my requirement or not? Yes, friends. Yeah, is it going to fulfill my requirement or not? At least one of these three conditions. At least one of these three conditions. Okay, like yes. Now observe carefully. Yes, now at least one of these three conditions are satisfied. Now it is. So why here downloadable is the true? If the first condition is the true, it is not required to check the remaining conditions. Downloadable is the true. Sorry. Here number of reviews. Number of reviews is lesser than 3. Yes, first condition satisfied, second condition satisfied, third condition also satisfied. Oh, three conditions satisfied here. Sir, first condition satisfied, second condition fails, but third condition satisfied. Okay, well, now first condition not satisfied, but second condition satisfied. That's why it is a valid. Even third condition also satisfied. Okay, have you observed, right? At least one condition satisfied, such a type of document by default is going to be selected. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes. How to use R operator? Is it okay, right? How you can use R operator? Is the cinema is okay, right? Okay. Now let me go for next operator. Next operator, right? Dollar NAR operator. Dollar NAR operator. NAR operator, right? So I can use a simple word. It is inverse of R operator. It is inverse of R operator. It is inverse of R operator. Okay, simple word. It is the negation of R. Sir, here syntax. Assume that. Sir, this is the syntax. Okay, here just have a look once. Very important point, sir. Now my point here is dollar R. $R. Can I use the word at least one condition? At least one condition satisfied. Satisfied. At least one condition satisfied. Then the document will be selected. But when NAR, what about NAR? Anyone can you please tell? What is the complement of at least one condition satisfied? What is the complement? Ah, what is the complement of at least one condition satisfied? Anyone? Can you please tell? Okay. Neither condition satisfied. Neither condition satisfied. Neither condition satisfied. Okay. What it means is no condition. That is all conditions fails. All conditions fails. Have you observed, right? All conditions fail, such type of document only is going to be considered. Are you seeing the basic idea? Yes, friends. In this case, at least one condition should be satisfied. But in this case, all conditions fails. Such type of thing only nar is going to get, sir. Okay, like now the syntax is the very simple. The syntax is the very simple, sir. Okay. Now here just observe that, sir. nar performs a logical NAR operation. A logical NAR operation on an array of one or more expressions. One or more expressions means conditions. One or more expressions means conditions. Conditions. Okay. Perform logical NAR operation on an array of one or more expressions and selects the documents and selects the documents that fail all query expressions in the array. All query expressions in the array. Have you observed? Every expression fails. That fails all query expressions in the array. I hope is clear for you people, right? The same thing only I covered. Just this is the syntax. Now I have one query I want to write, sir. One query I have to write. Okay, just example. Let me talk, sir. Sir, I have C1 is I'm trying to take I'm trying to take like this. Okay, number of reviews. Okay, like now my question is dollar GT is 3, like I'm trying to take. Dollar G3 is the 3, like I'm taking, sir. Sir, now C2 I'm taking. C2 I'm trying to take is downloadable. Is the true? Downloadable is the true, like I'm trying to take, sir. Now two conditions are there. Sir, what is the first condition? Number of reviews greater than 3, and downloadable is the true. Second condition, right? Okay, like now here just observe that I'm trying to take a query. What it is going to it's going to return, sir, right? What it is going to return? Very simple, sir. Legend. I'm writing a query, sir. db dot books dot find db.books.find. Okay, like here dollar nar operator, array must be required. In this array, first element is this one. First element is this one. Second element is okay, this one. Second element is this one, sir. Okay, this one. Now, sir, dot pretty I'm trying to take. Can you please imagine once which documents it is going to return, sir? It selects all documents. It selects all documents where first condition. Anyone, can you please tell? So the first condition fails. The first condition must be failed. Number of reviews greater than 3. Fail means the number of reviews, the number of reviews is lesser than or equal to 3. Lesser than or equal to 3. Correct, right? Less than or equal to 3. Because not, that is not greater than 3. That is not greater than 3 because first condition fails. Okay, well, second condition, sir. Second condition, okay, downloadable is false. Correct, right? Downloadable is false. Okay, downloadable is a false. Okay, now it should satisfy downloadable is a false. It should satisfy first condition. It should satisfy second condition. Okay, please make sure. Next, if both conditions fails, such type of documents only it is going to select. Are you in the position to understand? Yeah, please confirm. Array, I have some conditions are there, so I want to select. I want to select all documents. I want to select all documents. Okay, all documents. It will it will select all documents. All documents where the number of reviews is less than or equal to 3. Downloadable is the false. Please take a bit very special care. Both conditions should fail, and that's why in the middle which thing is there, and okay, like let me check, is it really, is it going to be happen or not? Okay, now observe that. Yeah, good. Okay, here just observe that. Observe carefully. Downloadable is the false, number of reviews is 1. Both conditions fail or not? Hey, respond. Both conditions fail or not? Yes, both conditions fail. Next, the second one, downloadable is the false, number of reviews is the 3. Both conditions fail. Both conditions fail. Are you getting right? Okay, so this is. Next, one more thing. Somewhere in the last week of negation, right? It is the negation, right? That's why it will select documents. It will select document doesn't contain documents doesn't contain number of reviews under downloadable fields. Number of reviews under downloadable fields. Okay, somewhere we covered number of reviews under downloadable fields. Okay, if you are not having any such type of fields also, can you please select a such type of document? Okay, like where is the, yes, here have you observed why the last one selected, sir? There is no such type of field because it is a negation, inverse operation, right? Feeling comfortable? Okay, yes, how to use a nar operator? Okay, like, but usually very rare, the people in general we never going to use a nar. Our highest priority is r and only. Even not also we are not going to use, don't worry, sir. Okay, now here Can I use the word? Can I use the word $R result results plus dollar nar results is nothing but total number of documents. Total number of documents. Yes, is it correct? $R results is nothing but total number of results. Clear? Yes. Where is the proof for that? You people may ask here. Just observe that. Just observe carefully, right? Okay. Now here I'm trying to take. Here I'm trying to take. So nar and r. Okay. Here let me take same thing only. Same thing only. Now let me take. Okay. R I'm trying to take. R I'm trying to take. Next and after that count. Okay, here I'm trying to take count is a method. Okay, count. Sir, how many records we are going to have? 5 records. Same thing. Okay, nar I want to use. Nar I'm trying to use. How many records are there? How many records are there? 3 records. Sir, 5 plus 3. Total 8 records are there or not? DB dot books dot find dot count. Total 8 will be there. Yes. Is it our formula got satisfied or not? Yeah. Okay. That's all. This is about NAR operator what we have. Can I go to the next level? Yeah, please confirm. AND operator we covered. NAR operator we covered. R operator we discussed. Now the third one. Third one is very easy. What there inside? Dollar and operator. Dollar and operator. Dollar and operator, right? Okay. Sir, and operator, when it is going to when it is going to returns and operator, what is going to select? Both conditions should be satisfied. NOR means all condition fails, but AND means both conditions should be satisfied. Okay, here just observe that dollar and. Okay, not required to keep any explanation directly. I can go for this. Suppose here if I can take where is the syntax for the NOR? Yeah, this is the syntax. Okay, now here just this is the syntax. Here I have to take and operation. It returns all the document which is satisfy every condition. All the conditions should be satisfied. Okay, like now dollar and performs logical and operation. Logical and operation on an array of one or more expressions and selects a document and select the documents that satisfy all expressions in the array. Correct? That is all conditions should be satisfied. That is all conditions should be satisfied. All conditions should be satisfied. Okay, like this is about and the syntax, right? Okay, now let me go for a small example, right? Okay, select all documents select all documents select all documents where the number of reviews where number of reviews where number of reviews is greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 3. Okay, number of reviews greater than or equal to 3 and downloadable is true and downloadable is true, sir. Yeah, can you please have a look once? So there are two conditions are there. Number of reviews is greater than or equal to 3 and downloadable is true. Yeah. If any one condition fails, it will return false. Yes, correct. So it should satisfy all conditions. Then only such a type of document only it is going to be considered. Okay, like now here just observe. Can you please confirm what is our first conditional expression? Number of reviews greater than or equal to 3. Number of reviews greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3. Okay, like second condition. Second condition. Yes, here downloadable is the true. Downloadable is the true. Okay, like directly second condition. Downloadable is the true. Okay, downloadable is true. I'm taking. That's it. So can you please write the query for this? Okay, now db.books.find. Okay, now here I'm trying to take in this. Have you observed, right? In this dollar and I have to take dollar and I have to take. Yes, here first condition, second condition. First condition, okay, is this is the first condition, comma, this is the second condition. Yes, how to write complex queries? Are you in the position to understand, right? Yes. Okay, this is and operator. It's a very commonly used, right? Sir, dot pretty. Now, so can I get all these documents which satisfy both conditions or not? Greater than or equal to 3 and downloadable is the true. Greater than or equal to 3 downloadable is the true. Now observe, there are, yes, both conditions satisfied. Greater than or equal to 3 downloadable is the true. Yes. Okay. Greater than or equal to 3 downloadable is the true. Both conditions are satisfied. This type of thing is by default considered yes. And are you feeling comfortable? Yeah, respond. Are you feeling comfortable about this? Okay. Now, sir, I have one small example I want to take. Okay, one small example I require to take here. Now observe carefully, right? What I'm trying to take here is just there is one students Jason is there, sir. In the evening I took this example. Yeah, here just observe that. Just I'm trying to copy paste it. Is this one? Nothing will be there, sir. Here just observe that. Okay. I'm taking a small assignment. Okay, students.json I'm taking. It's already there. It's already there. Okay, in my in the database it's already there. Mongo import hyphen db store db collection students file. Okay, like any explanation is required about this? Assume that it's already there in my database, because for other batch students sake I took this one, sir. Assume that. Okay, now here my requirement is, or otherwise what I will take is show collections. Okay, db dot students, db dot students dot db dot students dot drop. Can I use this word? Can I use this one, right? Yes, db dot students dot drop. Yes, it is dropped, just for your idea sake. Nothing dropped, right? Now I want to create this collection again. I want to create this collection again. What I have to take? Go to D drive. Next, in the D drive, students.json already there. In the D drive, students.json is already there. Already there. Okay, now this is the same thing. Yes, what is the query I require to execute, sir? This is this is the command I have to execute. Okay, now Mongo import like Now all these 10 documents imported successfully. Okay, well, so now all these are 10 documents. Name A marks 10, B marks 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. Okay, like we have. Now my question here is, listen carefully, right? Okay, select all documents. Okay, select all students where marks are less than 85, where marks are less than 85 and greater than 45, and greater than 45. Yeah, can you please confirm? Can you please confirm how you can do that? Select all students where marks are less than 85, greater than 45. Okay, less than, greater than, both conditions I have to satisfy. Compulsory we require to use what? And operator. Compulsory we require to use and operator, right? Yes. C1, what is the first condition, sir? Can you please observe? Marks should be what is that? Lesser than 85 dollar lt, lesser than 85. Okay, like I'm getting this one, sir. Now c2 I'm taking, sir. C2 I'm taking. What is my second condition, sir? Marks Okay, marks here dollar greater than 45, greater than 45. Okay, like now here db dot books, sorry, db dot students dot fine. Okay, now dollar here, just observe that, fine, dollar and okay, like array. Yes, in the array, this is our first condition. This is our first condition, comma, comma, this is the second condition what we have. Okay, like this is the second condition, dot pretty. Okay, like you can please confirm. So the marks are less than 85, greater than 45. So 45 to 85 in the middle we require to get 45 to 85. In the middle we have to get that. Okay, like yeah. Now here just observe that. Can you please have a look once? 50, 70, 60, 80. Yes, am I getting correct or not? 50, 70, 60, 80. Okay, because this is our requirement, right? Now question, query number 2, sir. You can write it, just the same example only, nothing will be there, sir. Sir, select all students where the marks are less than 50, where the marks are less than 50 and greater than or equal to 35, greater than or equal to 35, greater than or equal to 35, like yeah. Any explanation is required? Right, any explanation is required? Marks less than 50. Okay, less than 50, less than 50, greater than or equal to 35, greater than or equal to 35. Okay, like yes, this is the first condition. Okay, let me take it. This is the first condition, this is the second condition. Okay, just only conditions are changing. This is the second condition. Okay, like I'm taking. Now let me execute this query. Okay, yeah, see this, observe carefully. How many students are there? Only one student with 40. Are really? Is it only one student? Uh, Less than 50 and greater than or equal to 35. Yes, obviously only one student is there, 40. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Now there is one small shortcut I have to tell for the AND operation. Okay, listen this one, sir. A small shortcut I have to tell for the AND operation, right? What is that shortcut is? Listen carefully. Matter of few minutes. A small shortcut way is there for AND operation. And operation. Yes, not between. Between is not there here. Vardhan Gupta. What is that is? Sir, here, assume that, assume that here this is the AND operator what we have. Okay, not related to this one. Let me go for previous example. Previous example. Let me take this one, sir. Okay, this is my query. Okay, let me put directly here. Normal way, normal way. Yes, here dollar and and next array here expression 1 comma expression 2, like we can take any number of expressions, correct, right? It is the normal way. This is the way. But shortcut way is it's a very simple, friends. Okay, what is the shortcut way is curly brace open, curly brace open. Okay, now within the curly brace, within the curly brace, what you have to take expression 1. Okay, expression 1 comma comma expression 2 comma expression 3 comma expression 3, something like any number of expressions you have to take. Array, where is the array, where is the dollar, and we are not required to use all these things. Just inside curly braces, your first condition, your second condition, something like we have to take. This is the shortcut way. Clear for you people? Okay, how you can do that, that part I will take care. Here just observe this one, sir. Here my requirement. Okay, mongo db, or otherwise 1 minute. Already I took this one small example. Let me copy paste here. Select all documents, select all documents where okay, all documents where number of reviews is greater than or equal to 3 and downloadable is the true. This is the normal way. This is the normal way, sir. For the same thing, I want to take shortcut way. I want to take shortcut way. What is the way? Please guide. Hey, respond. Can you please guide? Based on this one, can you please write the query and paste in chat box, please? Hey, try. Don't be silent. I want to listen. I want to see the query from each and every of you. Select all documents where number of reviews is greater than or equal to 3 and downloadable is true. And operation. I want shortcut way. Array, respond. Yeah, good. Someone provided Vidya. Excellent. Because here one small mistake is there. That's why I'm trying to keep a bit carefully. Yes, you have to write. Okay. Yeah. Please complete query. I want. Complete query. I want. Okay. Complete query. I want. Rahul. So you are doing a small mistake. Observe that mistake. Because while explaining in the last batch also, I did the same mistake. That's why intentionally I'm asking. Intentionally I'm asking. Amit, you are doing a small mistake. Even the same mistake I did. That's why I'm asking. You should not do this type of mistake. Okay. What is that? Is very simple, sir. db dot books dot fine. Okay, fine. Now here observe very carefully. Curly brace open and close. Yeah. In the within curly braces, you have to take just your expressions. Expressions. That's all. Okay. This is my first expression. Okay. Number of reviews should be greater than or equal to 3. Okay. Comma. This is my second expression. This is my second expression. That's it. Feeling comfortable? What mistake you did? Rahul, Amit, Amit. Okay, this is so again. Don't take curly braces. Already you took curly brace. Already you took curly brace. Within curly braces, first expression, second expression. Okay, like don't take again curly braces. Okay, taking new again this thing taking inside curly braces is the mistake. What I did at my practice. That's why don't do this one. Okay, this is the shortcut way. Clearly, here have you observed? Curly brace, expression 1, expression 2, like no inside curly braces. Okay, now here, okay, this is my query. Number of reviews greater than 3, downloadable either true. Am I going to get this one or not? Okay, now observe. Can you please dot pretty? I didn't use. Okay, I didn't use dot pretty. Yeah, dot pretty. Okay, now here just observe. Can you please have a look once? Downloadable is the true. Number of reviews is greater than 3. Yes, downloadable is the true. Number of reviews is greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3. Down, yeah, that's all. Only 2 documents we got. Greater than or equal to 3. Downloadable is the true. Perfectly, it's working, sir. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, just one theoretical point I have to take. So MongoDB provides an implicit and operation, an implicit and operation when specifying a comma separated, a comma separated here a comma separated list of expressions, a comma separated list of expressions. Okay, like what is the syntax for that? Yes, already I showed. Okay, clear? Feeling comfortable? What is the shortcut way? But there is one small limitation is there on this shortcut. There is one small limitation is there on this shortcut. What is that limitation is? What that limitation is here? Very simple, sir. Limitations of this shortcut. What is that limitation? Okay, why? What is the reason for that? Also, I will explain. Here list out all students, list out all students whose marks are whose marks are greater than or equal to 50 and less than or equal to 90. This is my requirement. Can you please list out all students whose marks are greater than or equal to 50, less than or equal to 90? Can you please confirm in the shortcut way how you can write? Please confirm. Yeah, please guide or respond. How you can write this one? Ray, respond. Yes, no. Ah, please write the query. Write the query. I'm expecting from you. Write the query. Okay. Shortcut way. How you can write? Because already we aware this one. We aware this one, sir. Okay. What is that? What is that query is? Now observe that db dot students, dot fine. Okay. Now curly brace. First expression. First expression marks is greater than or equal to 50. First expression completed. Next, second expression marks marks greater than marks less than or equal to 90. Okay, like yes, end of the curly brace and then close. Okay, dot pretty. Yeah, correct, right? Is it the same query? Is it the same query or not? Yes. Okay. So now take very special care about this one. DB dot students dot find. Okay, dot pretty. If I can take like this, okay, it's always it should return the records where the marks are greater than or equal to 50, less than or equal to 90. This is my requirement, right? Yeah, am I going to get or not? You have to tell. Observe carefully. Yeah, am I getting the results as per my requirement or not? Ah, please confirm. Yeah, am I getting the results as per my requirement or not? No, no, no. Okay. What is the reason for that? Why these things? Why I'm not getting, not getting? What is the reason? What is the reason, right? Do you know here? I'm not getting as per my expected because 10 is there, 20 is there, 30 is there, 40 is there, 20, 30, 40. These things also came. What is the reason for that? Okay, very simple. What is the argument we are passing to the find method? It is the JavaScript object. Correct, right? Is it JavaScript object or not? Yes, yes. It is a JavaScript object. Okay. So in JavaScript, JavaScript object means key value pairs. Correct, right? Key value pairs. Just something like dictionary in Python, map, hash map in Java, Java map concept, dictionary in Python. Okay, in JavaScript we have object like. So anywhere duplicate keys are not allowed. Have you remembered? Duplicate keys are not allowed. If we are trying to insert duplicate key, old value will be replaced with a new value. Correct time? Old value will be replaced with a new value. Okay. Here, marks already there with this value. Now you are trying to insert with the same key. Then what will happen? Marks will be, the value will be replaced with this new value. Now it will become, do you know, sir? It will become what it's going to be there, sir. Marks is already there, but still you are trying to insert. That's why old value will be replaced with sorry old value will be replaced with the new value. Remember, and that's it. This is the only thing is going to be happen. Now the results are going to satisfy this condition or not? Yeah, the results is it going to satisfy this condition or not? Yes, the marks less than or equal to 90. The marks less than or equal to 90. Yes. Okay. Amit, Amit, just observe that there is one, someone is asking, didn't get. Sir, here do you know JavaScript object? Suppose I'm trying to add 100 is A, 200 is B, 300 is C. Okay, right? How many key value pairs are there? How many key value pairs are there? Can you please consider three key value pairs are there. So in the keys are 100, 200, 300. Okay, like, but duplicate keys are not allowed. But now I'm trying to insert 100 with the D I'm taking, sir. Now, if you can take like this, what will happen is, array with this 100 already, key is already there, then this corresponding value replaced with this new value and it won't be inserted because duplicate keys are not allowed, right? Duplicate keys are not allowed. So internally what will happen is this A will be replaced with the D. Okay, like it is going to be happen. Amit, Are you getting? Because duplicate keys are not allowed, not allowed. Okay, in map, in JavaScript object, okay, like everywhere. Same. Here, marks is the key, this is the value. Here, marks is the key, it is the value. This key is already available. This key is already available, Then old value will be replaced with the new value. Now this is. So here, what is the reason for that? In JavaScript, object, duplicate keys are not allowed. Duplicate keys are not allowed. If we are trying to add duplicate keys, duplicate. If you are trying to add duplicate keys, then old value will be replaced with the new value. That is the reason. Clear, right? So now you are trying to fetch the records based on this query. Okay, based on this query. So less than or equal to 90. Yes, perfectly. All these things are less than or equal to 90. We are getting. Yeah. Okay, list out all. So where limitations of this shortcut is, limitations of this shortcut is, yes, Amit, at a time only one marks will be there, correct? So limitation of the shortcut is, if if here, if the conditions are, if the conditions are on the same field, if the conditions are on the same field, then this shortcut won't work. Have you observed? If the conditions are on the same field, then this shortcut won't work. Remember this one. So now here, then this shortcut won't work. Okay. Now, do you know what is the solution for this? We should use dollar and operator normally. Okay. Now let me keep with the dollar and with the dollar and, let me take this one, and operator, let me take, how you can write and, you know already, and dollar and we have to take array in the first document. Okay, this is the first JavaScript object. Next, second JavaScript object, second JavaScript object. Okay, and then end of the array dot pretty. Okay, now have a look once. Is it going to work or not? Have a look once here. Just observe that. Oh, there is a small mistake in our syntax. Something we are missing. Students dot fine. Yeah. After array, another curly brace. Correct. Can you please have a look once? Am I going to get properly? Is it my expected result? Is it my expected result? Yes. Here duplicate keys are not there. You never going to see duplicate keys. The reason for that is, this is a separate JavaScript object. It is a separate JavaScript object. Okay, two different objects. It is not same JavaScript object. Clear? Okay, that's all. Now the next cinema we have to talk. The next operator. That's all, sir. And or the most commonly used operators. But anyway, nor generally we won't use. Now the next operator also we want to use, sir. Not operator. Okay. Okay. This part I will discuss in the next video.